scratch it.
Welcome back, guys. Today routine 13 exercises, around 40 seconds on, 10 seconds off. The first exercise is V-up alternating knee tucks. Lie flat, arms extended, reach toward alternate toes, squeezing your core.
I'm on a mission, I'm paying dues, I'm in position, I'm staying up, it's getting late, you're doing good, I'm doing great, recognition, I'm on a mission, I'm paying dues, I'm in position, I'm staying up, it's getting late, you're doing good, I'm doing great. Hours of practice, they don't feel like working, overthinking, I don't mean to let the pain and hurting. I was main stage with Tiny at a festival. Realities are just less than 24 hours past and I'm back to working. The wage isn't minimum, but when you know your worth is more, you make your own curriculum. Study in the industry, I know you see me killing them. Nice, it felt so real, I had some moments I was living them. Celebrity, civilian, walk amongst the greats that you ignore. The ones relentlessly pursuing every key to every door. It's evergreen and evermore if you're content with living normally. I'm handing in my notice to the world.
Exercise 2, plank leg kicks. Hold plank position, kick leg towards opposite hand, engaging core.
I do it for the ones that came before and nearly died for me. Recognition, I'm on a mission, I'm paying dues, I'm in position, I'm staying up, it's getting late, you're doing good, I'm doing great. Recognition, I'm on a mission, I'm paying dues, I'm in position, I'm staying up, it's getting late, you're doing good, I'm doing great. So I could grow and move. When time is of the essence, then it should improve. I had to leave to see what I could do alone. And when I get the money, then I'm coming home. I had to let you go so I could grow and move. When time is of the essence, then
Exercise 3, Cocoon crunches. Crunch in as legs lift, extend legs when lowering, breathe out as you crunch.
I'm in position, I'm staying up, it's getting late, you're doing good, I'm doing great, recognition, I'm on a mission, I'm paying dues, I'm in position, I'm staying up, it's getting late, you're doing good, I'm doing great.
You can see this battle in a man, a fight to the finish, we can war it to the end if you like, cause you and them see that time's not a thing here when you've been blessed and born to the life. See me, I got a sample of the plan on the 4K image, you can see me spitting bars on the mic. I always go hard, so you better go home, cause I heard you saying that I'm wrong.
Exercise 4, knee to elbow plank. In plank, knee to same elbow, then opposite, switch sides.
Already know that it's on, we all know the hard work pays off. Everybody stays on, no one on my team is ever thinking of the days off. I do it when God willing, furthermore I want the whole team chilling. It's a graph that they don't see, I know that I won't be here to be sad at the end. That we can do it for real right here, no pretending. When I'm kicking the ball like Beckham is bending. Whatever the weather, I keep it together, I keep getting better. And nobody on this planet can tell me otherwise. Open up your eyes, you better recognize I'll be set on the stage, ready to go. The way that I know you don't know me, I'm the winner. Expert in the game, can't mean I'm no beginner.
Exercise 5, Corscrew. Lift hips, twist side to side slowly, targeting obliques and abs.
I said I got the move rattling, now I'm ready for battling. You wanna just tell me I'm not, but I'm having it. But I'm staying on side with the ball, now I'm travelling. Gets weak at the knees and the seas, so I'm flattening him. Getting boxed in the face and the moves and I'm jabbing him. Toe to toe, we can go, cause it's happening. We can go to the floor in the war, I'll be grappling. I know what the gamble is, believe I'ma handle this. I'll be set on the stage, ready to go. The way that I know you don't know me, I'm the winner. Expert in the game, can't mean I'm no beginner. I'll be set on the stage, ready to go. The way that I know you don't know me, I'm the winner. Expert in the game, can't mean I'm no beginner. I've been there, I'm real. I've been into work when I'm ill. I've grafted, I've signed on, been laid off, been kept on, done cleaning, built fans.
Exercise 6, hip dips. Low plank, rotate hips side to scalp obliques.
Been so sad, I've fixed up, I've hit back, I've picked top, I'm so glad. I work hard, I stay strong, and I do it again in a heartbeat. And it's nothing to do with luck, so don't give up. Sit on the stage, ready to go. The way that I know you don't know me, I'm the winner. Expert in the game, can't mean I'm no beginner. I'll be sit on the stage, ready to go. The way that I know you don't know me, I'm the winner. Expert in the game, can't mean I'm no beginner.
Exercise 7, semicircle crunches. Crunch diagonally, targeting side abs.
Hey, who you think you waiting on? I take you to the early morn. Just when you're waking up, you feel like you're falling off of a cliff so high. Then you hit the bed just right. Staying up through these nights, it's alright. And every single time I call you, you know I got something for you. How could I ever ignore you? I WhatsApp like it's on you. And you know I'ma get there soon. You know I'ma get there soon. Baby, what's your mood? Tell me what's your mood? It's tonight, it's moonlight. It'll be shining through, yeah. It's tonight.
Exercise 9, side plank plus stop, left. Repeat on this side.
Drunk on me, yeah. Drunk on me, yeah. Drunk on me, yeah. You make it so we can walk. You make it so we can talk. Because you're drunk on me, yeah. I said drunk on me, yeah. Ooh, but wait up, am I wasting time? I gotta hurry up and ride. I cut through the traffic lights just to get a piece of pie. I wanna bump and grind and move with baseline. And if you say it's fine, it's tonight, it's moonlight. It'll be shining through.
Exercise 8, side plank plus stop right. Side plank, deep hips, then tap forward. Modify on knees if needed.
Drunk on me, yeah. Drunk on me, yeah. Drunk on me, yeah. You make it so we can walk. You make it so we can talk. Cause you're drunk on me, yeah. Drunk on me, yeah.
Exercise 10, alternating jackknife. Opposite hand to foot, alternating sides, engage core.
See, they be moaning about the hard times, don't wanna do the work, but the work is where the hard times meet the good that goes berserk. And while you're stressing out and being all depressing, I'll be learning lessons, writing, working hard and fighting every chance I'm getting. I know when I'm doing it right, I know when I'm doing it wrong, I know when I'm doing it better than anyone else on the scene when they're calling me Don. I know how to do this thing on a rap, know how to do this thing on a song, know how to put in the work and win in the race, and here is where I belong. And here is where I belong.
Exercise 11, in and out Russian twist. Crunches knees to chest, then twist torso side to side.
Stay humble, stay focused, don't stumble, and you best be ready to rumble. Come with a lion's heart in the jungle. Take on a topic, take on a challenge, take on the money and jump on a plane. Checking the damage, collecting the baggage, you're hoping the taxi, jump on the stage. You best believe that I'm running away, I'm making my talent jump off of the page. I'm proper kicking off like Adam from the streets of rage. So it's no sleep, train hard, long nights, non-stop. The bottom of the iceberg is way hidden from the top, and it's blood, sweat, tears, hope, heart, stay strong. It's the same as when I'm putting all these lyrics to the song. I know when I'm doing it right, I know when I'm doing it wrong, I know when I'm doing it better than anyone else on the scene when they're calling me Don. I know how to do this thing on a rap, know how to do this thing on a song, know how to put in the work and win in the race, and here is where I belong. I know when I'm doing it right, I know when I'm doing it wrong, I know when I'm doing it better than anyone else on the scene when they're
Exercise 12, roll up. Lie flat, slowly roll up. reach toward feet using core strength.
But I've been wasting words and wasting gas from time to time to pass the time. From rap to gram, can rain or shine. From 9 to 5, the wars are life. But now my time efficiency is messing with the industry. I'm literally in symmetry, and these men here, they caught the vibe. And visually a symphony, express myself implicitly and willfully get what I want, and I will show my soul's alive. And I will show my soul's alive.
Exercise 13, mountain climbers. High plank, alternate knees towards chest to finish strong. Let's do it, guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.